preacher that night made it clear that I could never earn my salvation, but that Jesus did it all. And if I repented and I placed my faith in what he did, God would set me free and give me everlasting life.
Woo! Nice. Woo! Woo-hoo! There you go. Woo!
Yeah, buddy, let's go.
What? Woo-hoo! Oh! Woo! Woo! The Beast represent B-Boy Somar.
Hey, nice.
Yeah. Woo! Nice.
Dude, sick.
Let's get it. Woo! 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 Nice. Nice.
So on the cross, he showed his justice by punishing sin on Jesus, who took our sin on himself. He took our robes of sin and bore that wrath, shed his blood to give us forgiveness, and 3 days later rose again from the dead, defeating death. And you know what God says now? If you repent, if you recognize the severity of your sin, turn from your sin and place your faith in him, God will take every sin you've ever committed, wipe it out of existence, and guess what he'll do then? He'll take that robe that Jesus was wearing that said perfect all over it, and he'll put it on you.